Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question guys, and the question is I is equal to, we are having I is equal to, the limit is 0 tends to pi, okay guys, and we are having the function 1 by 1 plus sin x, right? So we have to find out the integration of this function guys, dx. So now we can multiply with the 1 minus sin x and 1 minus sin x in the numerator and denominator guys, okay. So 1 plus sin x, and we can multiply with the 1 minus sin x in the numerator and denominator also guys, 1 minus sin x, okay guys. We can multiply with the 1 minus sin x in the denominator also, okay, dx. And after multiplying it will become 0 tends to pi, and we can write here 1 minus sin x, and we can apply here one formula guys, a minus b into a plus b is equal to, we know that a square minus b square, so we can write here 1 minus sin square x, okay, sin square x dx, okay guys. So this is the very simple. Now you can apply here the concept, and we can write the 0 tends to pi, and we can write the 1 minus sin x dx, and 1 minus sin square x equal to, we can write here the cos square x, okay, is equal to, and now we can separate the both the term, and we can write this term 1 by cos square x, okay, 1 by cos square x dx, minus we can write here the limit is 0 tends to pi, and we can write the sin x by cos square x dx, right? This is the very simple guys. And now we know that what is the formula of 1 by cos square x. So we know that 1 by cos square x is equal to sec square x, okay. So we can write here the sec square x dx minus the limit is 0 tends to pi, and we can write the 1 sin x by 1 cos x equal to, we can write here the tan x, it will become, and it will become tan x, and we are having the 1 cos x is left behind in the denominator guys, so we can write 1 by cos x is equal to sec x, so into, we can write here the tan x into sec x dx, okay. And we know that the integration of given this function guys, we can directly write here, what we can write here guys, tan x, we can write here the tan x, because we know that the integration of sec square x equal to tan x, and it will become sec x guys, sec x tan x integration is equal to sec x, right? So both limit is the same, so you can take the limit along with term guys, right? Okay, this is the very simple. Otherwise you can take the separately also, it depends upon you, right? So now I am going to put the limits. So we can put the limit I is equal to tan pi minus sec pi, okay, minus tan 0 plus sec 0 guys, okay. And we know that the value of tan pi is equal to 0, and this sec pi is equal to minus 1, so it will become plus 1, and tan 0 is equal to 0 and sec 0 is also 0, and after adding we will get the value 2, so it will be the correct answer guys. So thank you.